Hey guys, welcome to Bhat's Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about all the new videos. And today we'll be making simple and easy rice flour chakli. Chakli is a truly great snack with no compromise on its flavor. It's a savory with hints of spice like ajwain and jeera. Well, without any further ado, let's begin. To start off, in a pan on medium flame, add 1 cup of water. Once it starts boiling, add half a teaspoon of ajwain, jeera and red chili powder. You can adjust the spices according to your liking. Also add 1 tablespoon of butter and a pinch of salt for taste. Now add 1 cup of rice powder. Mix it well. Once it's all mixed together, you may switch off the gas. Now add a pinch of asafoetida and mix. Now start kneading the dough. Knead the dough until it's soft and smooth. Now oil your chakli maker and fit your dough into it. And now it's time to fry the chakli. In a pan on medium flame, add enough oil to fry your chaklis. Now using your chakli maker, make some spirals on a plate and then transfer it into the hot oil. Let them fry until they turn crisp and golden. Once that's ready, transfer it into some paper towels so it can absorb all the excess oil. And that's it. Our rice flour chakli is ready. Serve it hot with some chai or coffee. If you've made enough, you can even store them in an airtight container for a couple of weeks. Well, if you like this recipe, do hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn notifications to be informed about our latest recipes. If you have any suggestions for our future videos, do let us know in the comment section below. And until the next video, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep watching Bhat's Kitchen. Stay at home and stay safe.